What's up, guys? Welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna do a different video. Well, since I want to do videos about PuppyDogPals, I thought that I can do videos about characters I like. In the video of today, it's about Lollie because it's a character that I like so much, and I thought to do a video. Well, this video I'm gonna do today. I talk about a few things I like about them. Well, some and I just checked the PuppyDogPals wiki, and it says that it's she's sassy but she's also friendly. And her first appearance, it's in Adoptapalooza, that I have the book, and what's inside here? I can show you. This is the book I'm talking about, and here is Lollie, and here she's again. And yeah, I like her so much because she looks very cute and other stuff. And I thought, well, I should not do it. I will, but for the rest about Lollie, she appeared in a lot of episodes, and I'm waiting that they release the season here in Italy, because I'm Italian, and these days I'm doing videos in English. I like doing that too. And it's very cool that I do that. And wait, I'm not gonna do this video very long. Not some things related to the character I like. Yeah, I know that. Well, this is a drawing of Lollie I did a few months ago, and it's very cute. And I know that oh, check. I talked to, well, no, a lot of videos I'll continue. Yeah, I like because she is a handicapped dog, and well, I'm a disabled person, so she represents me very well. And she also like rock music. I do that too, and well, much of an interest. Having I thought that I can read some few things about her, or well, Lollie, she's a basset hound, and if you guys never know that, I know that because I talked of her long years, and she's very nice. And yes, the desktop I game on my computer is related to PuppyDogPals. There is also Lollie. I like the episode of the post so much, and I also like the episode of the Puppy Playground. And the Puppy Playground is the place where Lollie stay with her friends. And she also like calling Bingo Mingling because it's the nickname that she gives him. And I don't have nothing much to say that the video now is ending, and Hope you guys liked this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna do a few other videos about PuppyDogPals in these days. And see you guys in the next video about PuppyDogPals. Bye.